dribble. Yung isang kamay.
And here comes number 3. Inside pass to number 01. Nice break. Good. Cross court pass. Francisco. Back to 01. And getting the basket. May kasama pang foul. Good.
Boss, shout out, boss.
Ay, shout out. Sabado ha.